Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view your watch history on YouTube TV. Go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on settings guys. Now once you're inside the settings, on the left hand side you want to click on privacy. Now here you'll have your watch history. It says manage watch history. So if you click on view, you'll be able to see your watch history on YouTube. So this is where you'll find it. As you can see, I've checked quite a few things here, and that's basically how you find your watch history. Keep in mind that this watch history also tied in with YouTube itself. However, you can differentiate the watch history for YouTube TV different from YouTube. So here, if you look, it says YouTube TV. If I scroll down here, it says YouTube. So this is going to basically tell you which is which, right? So let's say you want to go ahead and delete something. You can go ahead and you can delete whatever you want by clicking these X to delete the watch history. And that's it, guys.